Industry Hall of Fame to honor and preserve the contributions of those exceptional individuals who have served the green industry.
Brought to you in part by the Toro Company. Toro congratulates Chris Austin, purveyor of Maven's Notebook, on her induction into the Green Industry Hall of Fame, Class of 2021.
A leading voice in California water news, Chris Austin is the founder and publisher of the independent and reader-supported Maven's Notebook website, California's most comprehensive source for water news and information. Based in Southern California, but regularly traveling throughout the states to cover conferences, meetings, and events, Austin has earned a stellar reputation among the state's agricultural, environmental, and water stakeholders for unbiased, complete, timely, and accurate reporting and news curation.